Dear students of academics and competitive exams of English, students, in this lecture 2 English version lecture, our topic is transformation from exclamatory to assertive sentences. Transformation, students, you came to know in our previous lectures, but still I am going to revise it. Students, transformation is a change in structure, but the sense of the sentence remains the same. And today we are going to apply this rule from exclamatory to assertive sentence. Now, before we understand how we will translate, we must come to know what is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, students, is a sentence which shows our sudden feelings and emotions. Exclamatory sentence is based on our gestures, is based on our emotions, is based on our facial expressions, but assertive sentence is only based on the written structure, and it is written in form of a statement. Students, this is without question and this statement is without exclamation. When we write such a thing without question or without exclamation, it is called statement. It means suppose you are raising your eyebrows and you are exclaiming, what a nice shirt. It means you haven't used helping verb, you haven't used other words, but your expression is showing that you are very surprised and you liked it very much. Now you write the same expression. In simple structure, in normal structure, in usual structure, that is called assertive, because in this structure you don't use any exclamation there and you write what into very. Now we will understand all this in this lecture, student. This is M. Rahman and you are attending Oracy classes of English language. Please to continue your syllabus of grammar, literature and writing section, please subscribe our channel Oracy classes of English language. Please, if you like our lectures, like, share and comment to us. Students, now let's begin with what and how. Exclamatory sentences are of many types, but we are going to begin our exclamatory sentences with what and how. Student, what and how shows vary, what and how shows intensity. Suppose you say, what an expert artist you are. What an expert artist you are. The structure is very different from the normal sentence, that is called statement. Now when we change this exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence, students, we write, you are a very expert artist. You are a very expert artist. Students, subject and helping verb you write here, subject and linking verb, and the rest part of this sentence, what will be changed into very. Because students, what shows sudden emotions, and we are not showing emotions here. We will clarify our emotions, we will express our emotions in words. That's why I change what into very, and this is the rule when we change what and how into very. And this word that is changed is written in green color and rest part of the sentence is in blue color. In this way our sentence is, you are a very expert artist. Students, if we are not getting everything, you in short can understand, you should write, you are subject and verb, linking verb, helping verb, whatever you have, and then you write the rest part of the sentence up to the artist from what will be changed into very. You are a very expert artist. Now let's come to the second example, how quickly you have learned. You have learned, आपने लिखा यहाँ you have learned, and how will be changed into very. You have learned very quickly. Then student, these are the two examples, and the third example that is a bit complicated here. What a shot. It is extra. What a shot, sign of exclamation. Students, if you are not given subject and linking verb, you write on your own here. What a shot will be equal to what a shot it is. Then you will put it is here, and what will be changed into very. And student, very can't be written before short without any adjective. Then this sentence will be, it is a very short. It's wrong. then definitely short is great, short is fine, short is good. Then you should write any adjective related to the sentence that suits the sentence. You should write here fine. Fine is an extra word here. It is a very fine short. Now one more thing I have given here, students. When we use what in a exclamatory sentence, we use a and an, and when we use how, we don't use a and an. It means how you will use, you can see in some examples how quickly there is no a, but what a short, because there is noun, that's why I used a here. Oh, okay, so students, I think it is clear. Now come to the third example. Oh that, would that, if only. Students, these three expressions are changed into I wish that. Whenever you see in the sentence oh that, would that, if only, you change this into I wish that. Let's see the example based on these expressions. Oh that I were rich again. It may be would that, and if only, you change it I wish that I were rich again. The expression written in a green color is the main part of the changing. Oh that I were rich again, the rest part of the sentence remain the same. Would that he had been successful means I wish that he had been successful. Would that is equal to I wish that in assertive sentence. Student, this is assertive because I have deleted exclamatory mark and I have put here full stop. Now students, I would like to give you one more important rule to you. If we use after would that, after oh that, after if only, after I wish that, if you use second form, it shows it's for future. Okay, if I write I wish that he got successful, got means second form, then it is for future, that I want to be successful. If you say I had been successful, it means you are talking about your past, that is past, now you can not do anything there. This is the great difference, and there can be second form and there can be third form according to the sense of the sentence, or you can say what is given to you, you write the same as it is, but it is important in translation. Now would that he had been successful, the answer is I wish that he had been successful. Now second, oh for means you are wishing that the prize would be yours. I mean to say that oh for a prize, this expression may be for future, this expression may be for the past. For the past means I wish that I had got a prize, but not now, I don't have. And if you want to get this prize in future, then you will write I wish that I got a prize. Students, second form only. Second form will show that you expect that you will take a prize. I had got a prize means you have missed the opportunity, but now you can't get the prize. You can write any one of these two here. Or for a prize, you write I wish that, and you will invent all these words on your own. Now students, in the next part 5, alas, oh that, students, these expressions show sadness, and you write, if you are given a sentence, alas he died so young. Alas means it is sad that he died very young. Students, so is changed into very, because very is used in statements in a simple sentence, in single clause, but if you use so, there should be the rest part of the sentence, and we can't do so here, that's why we will change into very in short. Next is hooray. Hooray shows joy and delight, and the example is hooray, he won. Hooray, it is very joyful, you can also say that he won. It means you change this hooray into it is very joyful that, it is very delightful that it may be. Pooh, fi, shit shows contempt, means hate, and if you are given this expression here, pooh, he spoke without respect, it is very disgusting, it is very full of contempt that he spoke without respect. It means pooh is changed into it is very disgusting or full of contempt. I wrote in green color, and rest part of the sentence will remain the same. Wow, Wow means you liked it. Wow, what a shirt. Student, there are two exclamatory expressions here in a single sentence. Now I wrote wow in place of wow. It's very fascinating that. Now what a shirt is, this sentence is like this. You used at it as it is on your own, and in this way you completed your sentence in your own by adding it is. Means it's very fascinating that it is in place of wow. And what a shirt, that the shirt is very nice, that this shirt is very nice, that this is a very nice shirt. You can write any one these of these. Students, what a shirt, you can use it is a very nice shirt. Shirt is a noun and there is no adjective, that's why I used very on my own. Bravo, you won. Student, bravo is for appreciation, is for a praise, that's why I use the expression it is praiseworthy that you won. Student, it can also be written it's worth praising, it is worth praising that you won. Now students, I have some different example here, and I gave this example in form of rules, because if you go through these examples properly, it will be easy for you to transform the given sentences. These are special sentences. To think of our meeting here. To think of means somebody is surprised to see someone finding there. That's why the expression will be it's very strange that we should meet here. Student, I didn't use green color because these two sentences, to think of meeting here and that we should meet here, are in different structures. That we should meet here, that is also very strange, and you will write it's very strange that we should meet here. You use especially that. Students, here should be that, here should be the expression that we should meet here. It is very strange that we should meet here. Now students, next example is death before honor. It seems very incomplete in itself, but it's complete because its expression is an exclamation. But when we write in a statement, when we write in a clause without emotions, we show our emotion in words, I mean in assertive, then we use our emotion in some particular words. In this way students, our answer is it is better to die than to be dishonored. Means we love death in comparison to be dishonored. We try to get the sense from this sentence death before honor, and we write the same expression into without exclamation, and this will be assertive sentence. Students, I hope you have gone through all these lectures very well, and please, if you like our lecture, please subscribe our channel RSC Classes of English Language. And please, if you want any further chapter to be taught by me, you can give me the topic and the lecture will be prepared for you. Thanks.